Hello friends, we are going to be talking about how to identify market structure. Whether the market is in an upswing, the market is bullish, the market is bearish, or the market is range bound. Remember, there are only three types of market structure. Either the market is going up, or it's going down, or it's going nowhere. That means it's basically stuck in a box or in a consolidation. So we have Hindustan lever here. And if you come here, if you look here, this is as of 1st Jan 24, and I've got the daily candle here. If you see, this is I will I'll use this. You see here, problem with the line. What have fixed? Okay, so what you see here basically is that this the market has gone up to this point and it comes down below, and this basically is a lower high compared to this high. Then the market comes down even further. This is a lower high, this is a lower low, and this is a lower high compared to this high. Then the market continues to go down here. If you see this region here, uh, this is a lower high and a lower low. So the market is continuously going, the highs are going low, so you have lower highs and you have lower lows also. So whenever the market goes up, you see a high, right? This is a high, but this high is lower than this high, so we call it a lower high. And then market makes a low here, then again retraces back to the EMA. So this basically is uh, a low, but this low is less than this low, so we call it a lower low. So you have lower high, lower lows, and this keeps happening here till basically the market goes up on the 6th of May. And if you see here, the market has made a higher high and it's come down and it's made a higher low. So this low is is higher than this low. This high is higher than this high. So we have higher high, higher low. Again consolidating for a bit. Again you have higher high, higher low, and the market continues. So what we see here is the market was in a bearish trend, giving lower highs and lower lows, and it went below all the EMAs. And then when market finally broke through with this large bullish candle, almost 4x, and that signaled that the market was ready for an uptrend. And then you see here you have higher highs and higher lows. So you have these two types of structure, right? Now higher highs and higher lows is when the market is going upwards or in a bull trend, and lower highs and lower lows are when the market is in a downtrend. What about the third phase of the market, where the market is neither bullish nor bearish, with neither the bulls nor the bears have been able to make up their mind as to what direction to take the market. So this is what what is something that we see here. There is some problem. Yeah, I'm just going to, if you see here, this portion here is the market is basically range bound. If you see here, by and large, the market is going up and down, up and down. You can take this a bit up. You can increase the size, but by and large, this is what you have here. The market is going up and down, up and down, up and down. So when the market is basically range bound uh, between 2 points here and there, and it keeps going up and down till it finally breaks through, and then again you have it come back here. But during this period, this time period is when the market is range bound. So in the range bound market, you would basically price would not be going anywhere. So if you come across this chart and you're somewhere here, there would be no point buying, because you see it's not broken out of consolidation. If you see here, it's broken out then back in. broken out, then back in, and then again it goes down. So you never know until the market is firmly makes up its mind in one direction or the other. It's best to stay out unless you are into intraday trading, and then that's a topic for a different video altogether. So, friends, I hope you understood what market structure is. Market can have only three structures. It can either be in a bull, it can be in a bear, or it can be range bound, which is what I showed you. If you like what I'm teaching, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon for notifications. And I wish you all the best, and I'll see you in the next.